Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can comment GIFs on TikTok. Now, this is not the newest feature, but just in case you don't know how to do that, it's actually pretty simple. Go on any video there is, and you're just going to hit that comment button underneath the like one. Then you are going to press add a comment here, and as you can see, there's like a sticker. Wait, there's a picture, a sticker, and like an add button. You're going to click the sticker one. And basically, if you go to the right, you'll only see like stickers and not like GIFs. Well, there are some moving ones, but these are from like the TikTok one, and I want the ones that look like this, the recently used one. So go to the search bar to actually search for other GIFs. As you can see, there is a bunch of them. I think I'm just going to use the cat one because it's cute. And I'm just going to type in, oh my god, it's so cute. And I'm just going to press enter. And as you can see, I just commented a GIF. Again, for those of you who didn't see, just press this button, go to the search bar instead of going to the right, and you'll be able to comment any like GIFs you want. You can go to the memes here. There's like funny, love, like aw. I think that's for like aw, and then this is for like mad. That's the only like sections they have. Anyways, that is pretty much it. You can also again search for it though. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Oh, and if this doesn't work out for you, I think you just need to update your app, but I'm pretty sure it's already out for everybody. So yeah, again, sticker. I'm trying to make this video 3 minutes long. Sticker, and then the search bar, and then here there's a bunch that you can choose from. There's some really cute ones, some funny ones. This one's very funny. Again, if you don't see what you're looking for, just search it up. Maybe like you want one where it's like cute. It's not the most versatile option, I must say. Was that a dinosaur dancing? Also, you can only add one per comment. You cannot add more than one. Actually, how would people like comment the like fly one? I'm just curious. Let me type in fly. Oh, yeah, people usually like to comment these ones as well. The fly on your phone. It's actually pretty annoying, but they can't like they can comment all the way to the like right side, so I don't know how they do that, so I'm just going to delete that and stop commenting on this person's video. Okay, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.